Namami Danvantarimadi Devam Surasurya Vanditapad Padmam Lokjara Rupaya Mrityunasham Tataramisham Vividaushadinam. Welcome, dear friends. Today we are going to make a special salad dressing and show you how to do it. So we have here a few ingredients. That is spirulina powder here in this box, and we have psyllium husk powder for thickening the sauce. We have brown tahini, raw tahini, and we have some yogurt, which we take only a little bit, some water, which is with some stones inside to give them some good energy, some measuring bowls, and this is lutenica, Bulgarian type of bell pepper sauce, roasted bell pepper, but it, other days we're using ketchup or mustard or something like this, and some spice mix. Where's the spice mix? There are some spice mix here, some masala. It has already some salt. Usually we don't put salt in the masala, but that's also fine. So let's go. First thing that we do is we take some tahini and 2 spoons only, just a little bit, or maybe 1 big spoon is enough, and we mix it with some little bit of water to saturate it so that it is still creamy, but it's not undersaturated with water, so it will not take any more liquid from the other ingredients after, because we want to thicken it up with the psyllium. So when the tahini is well mixed, then we will put in, let me think, I think then we will put in the rest of the water and thicken that up with the psyllium husk powder. In German it's called Flohsamen. This psyllium husk powder can absorb about 10 times the amount of water of its volume, so you have to be very careful with that and experiment a little bit. Did you already add extra water? Or?
Yes.
Interesting. Okay, so maybe we should add the psyllium already. What do you think?
Yes.
So this is about 1 teaspoon, a good teaspoon. Will take about 2-3 minutes to absorb the water, and then we will see how much it is actually thickened. And so we want this mixture to become like almost the substance of a soft yogurt, a little bit creamy. I mean, it depends how you want your sauce in the end, but we don't want it too liquid, because usually we're just having a few leaves of salad or bell pepper or anything like this, and we take the dressing with a spoon. We don't want to have it too liquid, so now we will have to wait a few minutes. So we didn't actually wait very long. It's a little bit still liquid, but it will thicken up more. Now we will add the lutenica, the bell pepper sauce. It already has some spices and a little bit of fat, but not so much. So we will add some spices also. But we will add the spices tomorrow, because we want to ferment this overnight with some active yogurt. It's a good brand. It's very alive. It's not pasteurized, this yogurt. So we just take a little bit to activate everything. We also activate our juice with it and other things that we prepare that we want to ferment. So we will make one basic mixture, and then we will divide it in the next day into several meals, portions, which we will spice up just before the meal. So yeah, it looks quite good. The texture is already quite good, right? What do you think?
Yes.
Okay, so we can just add 1 spoon of yogurt to activate it. That's already enough. So that's basically it. And then we let this sit until the next day, and then we can see if it's a little bit too liquid. We can add a little bit more of the psyllium husk, or if it's too thick, then we can add a little bit of water and add some spices, and then we have ready our salad dressing. Oh no, actually we forgot we will add, I think, maybe a good spoon, a little bit more. Yeah, like this, of spirulina. And the thing with spirulina is actually, it has of course many benefits. It's also good for amino acids. It has a perfect amino acid profile, and also it has a lot of chlorophyll, which is good for oxygenating the body, and it also has actually bioavailable vitamin B12, which people don't know. And by mixing it with other life cultures, it gets even more bioavailable. So some people say it's not bioavailable, it's analog B12, but actually there is a good amount of bioavailable B12 in the spirulina as well, apart from its many other benefits, and it's also adding to the taste. So if you have any questions or comments, you're most welcome. Thank you for watching. Please check also the description of the video, and for the benefit of all, you're most welcome to like and share. Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.